Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you the safest and easiest way to flash any Google Pixel phone, including the latest Pixel 9, 8, 7, and even older models, all officially using Google's own Android flash tool. Whether you want to install stock firmware, downgrade to an older version, or fix issues like Bootloop or failed updates, this method works online in your browser with zero hassle. Just plug in your phone, and the tool auto-detects your device, shows a list of all stable and beta builds, and you can flash directly. No command line needed. If you're searching for terms like how to flash Google Pixel without PC software or fix Pixel boot issues online, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get started. When we flash any Google Pixel, we need to unlock its bootloader first. Here we have two options. First, we unlock Bootloader manually. Second, we let Android Flash Tool to do it automatically. I'll do it manually. First, enable developer options, and then enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Now make sure you have installed compatible USB drivers. After fixing drivers, open Platform Tools folder and type CMD in address bar. Use Command. ADB devices allow ADB permissions on phone screen. Then use Command ADB Reboot Bootloader. Once you get in Fast Boot mode, use Command Fast Boot Flashing Unlock. Use volume keys to unlock the bootloader. Now go to website, flash.android.com, or go to Google and search Pixel ROM. Open Pixel ROM website. And here click on Flash Tool instruction, and then click on Android Flash Tool. Now we have Android Flash Tool in browser. Click on Select Device and choose your device. Once you have selected your device, you will get the compatible firmwares for your device. Here, you can choose if you want to flash with any beta or stable build. I chose Android 15 Stable. I didn't choose to lock Bootloader because I want to make sure first if I am not end up bricking my device, because after flashing it completely, we can relock Bootloader without flazing again. Just wait and watch. Android Flash Tool will just do everything by itself. I skipped a lot of parts to save your time, so don't skip any part of the video. And that's it. You've now learned how to flash your Pixel phone with official firmware using the Android Flash tool, fast, safe, and directly from Google. Whether you wanted to install factory images, fix a stuck device, or try out the latest Android beta or stable build, this is the cleanest method. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Pixel repair and Android tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions or need help with a specific model. All download links, supported devices, and step-by-step instructions are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.